Hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today we will discuss about the DNS. What is DNS? Domain Name Services. Okay, so earlier we are working on IPs, but it's hard to remember a number of IPs and different subnet. Like you are using a google.com. If I give you IP instead of google.com, there will be IP for youtube.com. There will be IP for every website. But if I give you a number of IPs, it will be hard to remember for you because those are the numeric code with single or two characters change. So to overcome of this situation, what we have given in a DNS, what DNS is doing, it will give you one name to your website and IP will be working behind. So whenever you are doing www.google.com or www.youtube.com, in a backend IP is getting hit. But from DNS name, like our human readable name to IP is getting resolved by the DNS. So whenever we are hitting any of the URL in a backend, DNS is working towards resolving from that URL to IP and our request is going to that particular IP. So that's the work of DNS. If DNS is there, we have to tell us this is my DNS server. Okay, from there our request will go and it will get resolved. There are public DNS server available in a market. So your request will go to that public DNS server and IP will get resolved and your request will reach to a particular web server. So that's how DNS works. So like I want the IP of google.com and let's look up google.com. So if Google is reachable for my system, I will get it. We are not getting, we'll put and let's look up www.google.com. No, it is not getting resolved because I am not aware on which DNS server I should go. So I am not having any DNS server. So this request is not going anywhere. Otherwise, you will get the IP. Like my laptop is having CMD and from CMD I will do google.com. See, I am getting a reply from 216.58.2034. Even though I am pinging to do google.com, it is getting resolved from the DNS server and we are getting this IP. So this is the task is being done by the DNS server. Converting the URL to IP and we are hitting the request to IP. So then DNS is helping us to resolve host name to a IP. Like my server is having daily study host name. Okay. Second host name, we are having host name command. Okay. On this host name, we are having one IP which is host name -I will show the IP 205. So if I ping daily study, so it is giving me IP. Okay, but this is working internally, it is not going out. Okay, from other system if I try to ping daily study, it will not get ping. So for this there are two component, DNS server IP and other is I should configure DNS server IP in my system. Okay, so where we will define this is my DNS server IP. Kindly use it to get the resolve of the URL. So we'll see where we have to put the DNS entry to in our next video. Till then, keep practicing, learn more. See you in the next video. Bye bye.